Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. So I've been to Ghana once. I made waki and the waki really brought some traffic in my channel. And guys, I thought why not go to Ghana once again. So on today's episode we'll be making some shuto, guys, okay? You know, in my national language, shuto, if you take the word shuto and you add a like you say shuto, it means pollute. But guys, when you come to Ghana, shuto is a meal. So buckle up and let's go to Ghana. And as you can see, the meal really looks tantalizing. So buckle up and let's go. So here we have our sardines. Okay, look at them. So here in Kenya, they're usually sun-dried. But that's just my assumption, honestly. But this is how they look. Okay, so you can sort them first, but personally I'd already sorted them out. I'm going to cook 2 batches. I'm going to cook a lot. So first step is sorting. Next step is washing. See, we almost ate snails. My god. Personally, I wash them up to 5 times. So that's the first wash. So here we've washed our sardines and we've also put some water. I'm going to boil this. So they are already boiling. Okay, maybe they've been boiling for 30 minutes. So you want to switch off that and then you go to the next part. So here I have some cooking oil. I'm going to drizzle some. So the reason as to why I'm doing this is because I want to fry them, but I don't want to use a lot of oil. So here we have our sardines and then I just layer them like that in the oven tray, baking tray. Yeah? We need them to be crispy. That's perfect. Then, so guys, maybe for the oven temperatures, I'm just going to guess and then I'll tell you whether they are going to work. Okay, so I'm just making a line like that. Then I put them in the oven. So I'm going to put a time of 20 minutes. Heat, of course. The temperature is going to be 60 or 80. Yeah. So let's meet after 20 minutes. So after letting them sit in the oven, guys, look at that. So there's no need to use oil. You can just oven bake them. Okay, you see they look crispy, and we've just used one or 2 tablespoons actually. So let's get into the final part. Don't get tired. So first things first, you have to put some oil, but I don't love putting a lot of oil, just a little. Okay, oil is also very expensive. Then I did our purple onions. So this was the pot that I just boiled them. While making this thing, don't use a lot of utensils. The fewer the utensils, the better, because of the smell. And then I have my homemade garlic powder over here. Look at that. So I'm going to use one spoon of this. some tomatoes. These ones are ramas. So guys, this is what we have. You see our fine paste. Then we're going to add in our fish. Today the kitchen is really smelling nice. Guys, can you see that baking tray? That is better. It's not even oil. It's not oil. See? Perfect. It's not oily, just some thickness, which is expected, of course. So, personally, I don't want to add water. So that is how our meal looks like. Looks so good, right? Mm. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you. Until the next travel. Bye.